This protocol enables us to perform in situ GISAXS studies of the photoactive layer of organic solar cells at our home laboratory, which would otherwise only be possible at synchrotrons.
Using in situ grazing incidence small angle X-ray scattering, we can study the structure development of the donor-acceptor intermixed state under conditions that are similar to those of large-scale coating.
The roll-to-roll slot die coating procedure is going to be performed outside of the GISAXS setup just as a demonstration. Later it will be installed in order to show the full experiment.
For slot die coating, wind 18 meters of PET substrate foil onto a feeder roll and attach the free end of the substrate to the winder roll. Run the foil 0.2 meters to tighten the substrate, and set the first hot plate of the roll-to-roll setup to 60 degrees Celsius, and the second hot plate to 80 degrees Celsius to ensure that the film is dried when wound into the winder roll. When the hot plates have stabilized for about 15 minutes, mount a 3 milliliter syringe loaded with 2.2 milliliters of roll-to-roll coating ink onto a syringe pump, and attach a tube from the syringe to the slot die coating head. Adjust the horizontal translation stage so the coating head is positioned close to the end of the first hot plate, and place the meniscus guide approximately 5 millimeters above the substrate. Then, set the syringe pump to a 0.08 milliliter per minute flow rate and a 12.7 millimeter syringe diameter. To control the thickness of the active layer, adjust the flow rate and the speed of the moving substrate according to the formula, in which W is the width of the film.